Heck?
We could tell them that it's an installation that's specifically meant.
This morning I got up at like 11 a.m. which is pretty late for me. I stayed up till like 2:30 in the morning watching two of the Star Wars movies, Star Wars Rogue One and Star Wars 8, and they were very good movies. They're just awesome. Like, it blew my mind. Rogue One had a really sad ending. Like, I was pretty sad. So did Star Wars 8. Like, these Star Wars movies are just wonderful, but they get sad as well. But as for today, for Saturday, it's my free day. I could do whatever I need to do because I don't have any obligations. I want to go to the beach, so I think I'm gonna go head to the beach, and I'm gonna head to the gym, get some workout in. So I'm gonna go to the gym first, and then go to the beach. Sounds good. Alright, I've arrived on my campus. From what the weather's looking like on the way I came here, it doesn't look like I'm going to be going to the beach after this. But that's okay, because I can go to the beach anytime, but the gym is a daily appointment. Thank you. Alright, thank you very much. My next workout is a weighted dip machine. Or not even a machine, weighted dips. I gotta find it. It's been a while since I did arm day, but it felt great. It's actually the easiest of all the days of workout, but I feel the most pump in my arms, which it's a great feeling when you feel the pumps in your arms. And that's without pre-workout, because I don't have any of that right now. Also, while I was here, right when I was done with my workout, I wanted to hang out with my buddy Bube, who lives in the dorms here. So while I was in the gym, I gave him a call and I freaked him out because he thought that I knew exactly where he was. He was freaking out, like, man, you probably know where I am. And here's my friend, Bube. He's freaking out, he's hiding.
Making a very conscious effort not to be seen.
So, where were you when I called you?
I was walking over from Conrad Dining Hall.
Dining hall, okay. You want to know something?
What?
I had no idea that you were here. Heck?
We could tell them that it's an installation that's specifically meant to do that.
It just shoots water.
Yep. It's for good luck. Yeah, right. 2 a.m. The alarms start going off and the white lights start beeping and everything, and everybody has to come out. So this happened all in the space of about 3 hours. And it basically pissed everybody off. We all hated being awake this morning. It woke me up, kept me up for the rest of the day, so I'm actually kind of grateful. I'm not complaining about it, but yeah. I'm good.
Just met someone new. She seemed nice. She complimented my hair. So that was nice.
That's Kima. She compliments everybody.
Oh, she compliments everybody.
And
Okay.
like, well, I mean, like,
So I guess it wasn't really sincere.
of
like
course it was. That's the whole point. Is like when she
didn't
finds,
really
when
care
she
about my
sees
hair.
something. Of course she cares about hair. Here's the thing: when she sees something that's genuinely cool about you, she will point that out every single time, and that's the coolest thing about it.
That's
So,
cool.
It was 100% sincere.
That's something I got to work on. Because honestly, when I first saw you, at the gym, I was like, man, your hair looks cool.
it's kind of.
It happened to be a hair topic again, but still, like look at that. Just sharp. Yeah.
The headphones kind of leave a print.
How can I make my hair like that?
I don't think you need to. Maybe grow it out, but I wouldn't change your hair if I were you, honestly.
I don't think I could change it though. Be like yours. Be different. So. Say hi.
Dick.
Yep.
Hi.
My favorite building though. That building. Look at that second floor with those windows in it.
With the track, I love the track. That track is actually the first thing that made me remotely start liking running.
Yeah?
So I now kind of like running. It's weird. Unfortunately, it's closed now. I thought I was going to be able to go at 7, but that is an impossibility. But I will be back tomorrow. And when I am, all hell is going to break loose. I don't think I was looking at the camera. Yo, Malik. That's actually quite, it's quite fitting to be cutting a promo right in front of this building because the significance is unescapable. This happens to be a shelter for such things as hurricanes and all manner of natural disasters. So back to my original point, when I touch down inside the WRC tomorrow, Sunday, September, is that 15th, 16th? It doesn't matter. When I touch down, they're gonna need this building to transfer itself and build a dome over that one because a hurricane will be hitting, and I'm not talking about this weekend. The Alumni Stadium.
Alrighty. Taking off. Say bye to my bro.
Drive safe. And
Alright, I'm not sure if you can see what I can see, but those skies are just beautiful. When I see, they are just like bright orange. I'm not sure if this video is capturing it right now, but it's just marvelous. It's like orange, as orange of an actual like fruit orange with just a light bulb inside of it just glowing. It's just beautiful. I just pulled over from my drive home to show you this. Beautiful, majestic, awesome.